today I'm gonna be applying the finishing touch on the IS. I got these Aero 23 mirrors painted. I saw I might run into some issues with the Altezza rain guard, so see what I could do. Might have to take it off. It's okay, these mirrors are worth it, but after that, exterior wise, it should be done for now. So the mirrors were touching over this and it wouldn't sit flush, so waiting on Michael to borrow his Dremel, cut this, and hopefully we should be good. I don't want it to cut like this.
Natural, yeah. I drive with my mirrors where I don't even see my car. It's for no blind spots. You might just have to get used to it.
Holy shit! I can't see anything.
Well, as long as you can see me beside your car.
Yeah, I can see you.
I mean, that's what really matters. As long as you can see someone, like when you're driving. Can you see me?
You're in the middle now.
Can you still see me?
You're at the last third of it.
If you think about it, no one's really gonna be on your car like this.
Yeah, but when I'm merging,
well, when you're merging,
I guess I'll just turn around the old-fashioned way.
But when you're merging, the closest car is gonna be like right here. Because that's how I drive. I drive without. It doesn't show my car at all.
Oh, yeah, I don't drive like that.
It's like no blind spots.
I drive like this. This is where the normal.
You see some of the car still.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I feel that. It took me a while to get over it.
All right, here's the new look. Final bout ready for 2023. Dang. Dang. Oh, cool. Thanks for the Dremel.
Yeah.